Are you tired of your plain mobile keyboard and want to personalize it with your own favorite photo? In this video, I will guide you through the easiest way to set any picture as your keyboard background. First, you need to install Google Keyboard or Gboard from Play Store. If you already have the app, you can skip this step. Open your Play Store, search for Gboard and install it from here. Now open your mobile settings and follow the video. If you are a Samsung user, here scroll down and find the general management. Here tap on keyboard list and default option. If you are using a different device, just simply search keyboard. You will get this option. Here tap on default keyboard and set it to Gboard. Now from here tap on the Gboard option. Now tap on this theme option, then tap on this plus icon. From here select your favorite photo. Use your two fingers to drag the picture. Then tap on next option. Here you can adjust the brightness of the background image. Then click done. From here you can enable keyboard border. Then click apply. And there you have it. Your keyboard is now personalized with your favorite picture. Now, if you are an iPhone user, Apple default keyboard does not allow background image directly. To use your favorite image as your keyboard background in Apple, the popular and reliable option is the Gboard app or Microsoft SwiftKey. And that's all there is to it. Which photo did you choose for your keyboard? Let me know in the comment below. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.